Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best foam cannons on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is TriNova Foam Cannon and Gallon Car Wash Soap Kit. With the suggested 800 and 3200 minimum and maximum PSI respectively, TriNova Foam Cannon comes with a barrel assembly that comprises an underneath female port to connect the suction tube, a high-quality 1/4 inch quick connect male connector that ensures a continuous and consistent supply of water from the pressure washer, and an adjustable air pressure regulator and a nozzle to set the thickness of the foam and controlled stream concentration respectively. The container of the cannon has a wide neck that makes filling and refilling pretty easy, and also warrants the durability of the bottle. The wide base helps the vessel stay balanced and steady when filled with the solution and placed on a surface, thus making your entire car washing experience quite convenient. Pros: excellent reviews, actual thought put into its build quality. Cons: requires a pressure washer. Number 2. Our second best pick is MTM Hydro Professional Premium Foam Cannon. This kit has received top marks from over 350 customers, earning itself an aggregate 4.8 out of 5 stars. It would seem that with foam cannons, one tends to get what they pay for. Several fittings and components are included with this product, most of which are either brass or stainless for longevity. This is one of the areas in which this cannon is highly praised. The seller goes through the trouble of listing pressure washers with which this thing is compatible, always a good sign. Customers seem to like the style of quick disconnects deployed by this cannon, which will save time compared to fumbling around with soapy screw-type connectors. As a bonus, the company throws in a bit of Teflon tape for good measure. Pros: top-tier reviews, including all the gear, works with most pressure washers. Cons: more expensive than other options on this list. Number 3. Our third best pick is Chemical Guy's Torq Foam Blaster 6. Besides being lime green, the seller of this product shows the thing in action, always a bonus when buying stuff online. This unit hooks up to a standard garden hose, so there's no need to splash out, pun intended, for a costly pressure washer. It includes the wash gun, which combines the soapy water solution with air and running water to create foam. An adjustment wheel allows users to choose the correct combination of soap concentration, reducing waste compared to an all-or-nothing unit. Chemical Guys are a relatively new company in the grand scheme of things but are well regarded in the enthusiast community. Customers can buy this cannon with or without a bottle of suds. We recommend going ahead and getting the soap rather than picking it up separately. Pros: adjustable soap dispenser, all in one unit, 4.3 out of 5 star rating. Cons: cheaper options exist, unlikely to provide the force of a pressure washer. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Twinkle Star Foam Cannon. Embarrassing brand name aside, this foam cannon seems to be a good option for those of us who are trying our hand at achieving slightly more professional results. The kit comes with no fewer than 5 different nozzle jets, meaning users can fine-tune the level and shape of spray emanating from the cannon. Keep those lewd jokes to yourself, alright? There are a few troubling English as a fifth language slip-ups in the ad copy, but, by and large, the product gets good reviews from real-world customers. In fact, out of the very nearly 6,000 respondents, a full 86% of them gave this product 4 or 5 stars. Some customers complain the cannon only dispenses a thin layer of foam, but there's a solid argument to be made that it's down to user error, being cheap and not adding enough soap to the container. Pros: great reviews, comes with a bunch of handy nozzles. Cons: asinine brand name. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Karcher Foam Cannon Soap Dispenser. Buying from a brand that has been around for ages has some advantages, even if they are mostly placebo. Regardless, the Karcher name is well known in the car wash industry. This compact foam cannon is great for applying a thick heavy foam onto vehicle surfaces. One simply adds detergent concentrate to the canister and top it off with water. This thing attaches straight to the end of a pressure washer wand but, as noted below, only fits certain makes of Karcher washers. At a weight of fewer than 8 ounces, however, it likely won't spoil the wand's balance. There are no adjusters for foam concentration. Pros: known brand name, compact design. Cons: designed for specific Karcher pressure washers. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.